Okay, hello everyone. So we were talking about the essentiality measures, and for essentiality measures, we use the averages. In the previous video, we talked about the mean, the arithmetic mean, and now we will talk about the median. Okay, so what's a median? So the median for a sample, that is, assume we just take 30 data, 30 students' height, and how to find the median of them. What you do is you just order them from smallest to the largest, okay? And the sample median is, if the number of observations is odd, then you take the one in the middle, okay? If it is even, what you do is you average the two middle observations. That's what we call a median. Okay, so for example, just look at this one, 1, 6, 3, 5, 2, 8, 5. So what you do is just order them 1, 2, right? 3 you have, and 5. 1, 3, 2, 5. You have another 5 here, and 6 and 8. So what is the mode? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. The one in the middle is the median. Okay, that's the median. Or just look at this one. 1, 3, 22, 35, and 54. The one in the middle is the median. Okay. Or, for example, if you look at this one, 2, 8, 6, and 4, what is the median of this? Then you order them 2, 4, 6, 8. The median is 6 plus 4 divided by 2. That's equal to 5. That's the median. And how about the median of this? Just look at this one. These two are the same, right? The only difference is the last one is not 54, but it's very large. It's 5400, okay? 35, and this is 5400, 5400, right? So what is the median? The median is still the same. It's the one in the middle, which is 22. Well, please note the difference between these two. The only the data at the last one, the largest data, um, is different here. So we will talk about this later, but this means that the median, okay, this measure is a insensitive measure, okay? So it's insensitive to the changes, not completely insensitive, but less sensitive to the changes in the data, right? So here the median of two different data sets are the same. But if you just take the averages arithmetic mean, then the average here is 1 plus 3 plus 22 plus 35, sorry, plus 54 divided by 5. And how about this? This is 1 plus dot dot dot, not 54, but now 5,400 divided by 5. You see the difference between the means, okay? So the mean just changes by in the order of 1,000. So there is a great difference in terms of the mean, but there is no difference in terms of median. So we say that, well, median is a insensitive average, whereas mean, the arithmetic mean, is a sensitive average. Okay, so let's find the median of a data which is given in a frequency table. Okay, so what you can, so here you have 7 many hundreds, 18 many 200s, 25 many 300s, and so on and so forth. So what you can do is you can write let's say less than column. So what is this? This one says that, well, so there are 7 items which are less than or equal to, in fact, let me say this, less than or equal to 100. And there are, so there are 18 items which are equal to 100, 200, and 7 items which are equal to 100. So there are 25, okay, 7 plus 18, 25 items which are less than or equal to 200, right? And 25 plus 25, there are 50 many items which are less than or equal to 300. And there are 80 many items which are less than or equal to 400, and so on and so forth. Okay. So there are totally hundreds. There are totally 100 many items there. So what is the median? What is the median? Remember, median is if there are odd number of observations, the median is the one at the middle. Here it's even, so what you should do is you should just take the average of x50 and x51, right? So what is x50? X50 is equal to 300, right? And what is x51? 1 x51, that's equal to 400. Take the average. So the median of this data is equal to 350, okay? And what is the mode? This is another sort of measure just which shows this centrality. It's the most frequent observation in a series. Okay? So here, just look at this one, 3200233104. So there are three zeros, one one, two twos, three threes, and one four. Okay. So if you just make a frequency table of this, okay, the frequency table, then you have three zeros, one one, and so on and so forth. And the two data which are most frequent are 0 and 3. Okay, there are three zeros and three threes. So there are two modes here. Uh, so this data is called the bimodal data, which means there are two modes in this data. Okay? So the most used averages are the arithmetic mean, okay, and the median. So as we say, median and mode, okay, are insensitive averages. They're insensitive to the observations, wherever the arithmetic mean is sensitive to the observations. Okay? Generally, in this lecture, we will always be talking about the arithmetic means, but please know what a median and what a mode is. Okay, so before getting into dispersion measures, let's stop this video and we will continue in the next one.